Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave a course in Canvas using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Canvas app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, on the dashboard, find the course you want to leave and tap on it to open it. Before you continue, remember you can only leave a course if you self-enroll. If your school or teacher added you, you won't see the options to leave. Inside the course, tap the menu icon, the three lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap settings at the bottom. In the settings page, look for a button that says leave this course, drop course or unenroll. This only appears on courses you join with a link or code. Tap leave course. Canva will ask you to confirm, tap OK or yes to finish. If the button isn't there, it means the teacher or the school enrolled you. In that case, you need to connect to your teacher, school, admin or Canvas support to be removed. And that's all. We have just learned how to leave a course in Canvas using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.